Welcome to this beautiful home in the gated community of Mira-Lago with the lowest CDD in the area. Nice open floor plan with tons of upgrades. Large living areas with travertine stone flooring throughout and a gourmet kitchen west/stainless steel appliances. The large master suite with a massive walk-in closet and a walk-in stone shower and garden tub is just what you need to create your own retreat after a hard day. Entertain in style with your own stainless steel outdoor kitchen on Bahia Beach Nature Preserve. Outdoor fun at its finest. Tampa Bay access is right outside the neighborhood at, for example, Simmons Conservation Park, 258 acres, with boat ramps, barbecue grills, volleyball courts, 103 campsites which have electricity, 62 sites offer 50-amp service, picnic tables, fire pits, kayak rentals, picnic shelters, 2 playground areas, restrooms with showers, a swimming area and 700 foot of beach along Tampa Bay. Easy access to shopping, dining, Tampa Bay, Amazon.com, Route 41, Route 301, Route 75, McDill in downtown Tampa. New AC system, 2017, new professional series water heater with mixing valve, 2021, new stainless steel KitchenAid refrigerator with water and ice in the door, 2021, new Maytag dishwasher with stainless tub, 2021, all faucets in the bathroom.